Welcome back to our channel for another installation day. So today we have this very beautiful Lamborghini Huracan Sto is in for our Akrapovic exhaust upgrade. Alright, so before we begin our installation, we will start up the Sto and do a sound check, listen to how does the Sto sounds like with the factory exhaust system before we replace this beautiful titanium Akrapovic exhaust system onto the Sto. Alright, so we've removed the factory muffler out from the Sto and we put it side by side together with the Akrapovic Titanium exhaust that is going into the car later. So basically this is how the factory muffler looks like when you put it beside the Akrapovic system. I'm going to be very honest, both of these systems, they actually looks very similar. It basically looks the same, but one main point of having Akrapovic system on your Huracan Sto is that the weight reduction that you get with this lightweight titanium exhaust, and this, believe me, this is very lightweight compared to the factory system, which is massively heavy. And later, of course, we will put both of this system onto the weight machine to measure what is the weight difference between this factory muffler and the Akrapovic exhaust, so that we can know how many kilograms of weight reduction that you will get with the Akrapovic titanium exhaust. Also on the Akrapovic system, as you can see, it actually has a smaller design, smaller size muffler box compared to the factory system. And also I believe inside this muffler section, it doesn't have so much restrictions like the one that you have on the factory exhaust. So definitely this Akrapovic system, it will sound a little bit more aggressive on the Sto. And finally, the highlight of this Akrapovic system is that you will get a pair of this beautiful Akrapovic titanium tailpipes, specially made for the Huracan Sto. So you get a black coated outer layer with the titanium color inner layer, and on the tailpipes, as you can see, you have the Akrapovic logo and the Lamborghini logo, and also this titanium words at the side. And when we have this Akrapovic tailpipes installed on the Sto, definitely this will look a lot more beautiful compared to the factory tailpipes. Right over here, as you can see, this Akrapovic tailpipes, it is a lot larger and way more beautiful when you put it side by side to compare with the factory tailpipes. So for the factory rear muffler section, it weighs at 21.3 kilograms. So this is massively heavy, and now we will put the Akrapovic titanium system onto the weight machine to find out how much weight reduction we can get with the Akrapovic system. As you can see, this Akrapovic titanium system weighs at only 11.7 kilograms, and that is 9.6 kilograms lighter compared to this very heavy factory rear muffler section. And when we convert these numbers into percentage, it is a massive 45% of weight reduction that you can get over this factory exhaust system. So that's all for the product explanation part, and now let's get back to work to install the Akrapovic system onto the Sto. And later, once we have all the parts fitted back onto the car, of course course, we will start up the car and do a sound check. Listen to how does this Akrapovic titanium exhaust system sounds like on the V10 naturally aspirated Sto. Alright, before we end our video, I will take a few minutes to talk a little bit more about the Huracan Sto. What are the special things on the Huracan Sto? What makes it so special compared to the standard Huracans and also the Huracan Performante? And also I will talk a little bit more about the specs on this particular unit. The Lamborghini Huracan Sto in full is called the Super Trofeo Omologata. It is a track-focused, street-legal supercar that stands out for its extreme performance and motorsport DNA. So here are a summary of its key specialties. So first of all, the Huracan Sto is inspired by Lamborghini's Super Trofeo and GT3 race cars. It is designed to deliver the maximum track performance in a road legal package. As for the performance-wise, right under the hood, it is a 5.2-litre naturally aspirated V10 engine producing 640 horsepower and 565 Nm of torque. 0 to 100 century sprint can be done in just 3 seconds, and it has a top speed about 310 km per hour. So the Huracan Sto, it is available only in rear-wheel drive, unlike the all-wheel drive on other Huracans. This is mainly because of the lighter weight and also the sharper dynamics of the car. The Huracan Sto has a very aggressive and functional aero, as you can see on the car. So on the rear, it has a large rear wing and also these ADAX on the rear hood. And to the front, you will notice that the Sto has this very unique design, Cofango. So this is actually a single piece hood, fender and nose combo. It basically combines everything together and make it this Cofango front hood. So for our clients, Huracan Sto, he has decided to go with this unique color combination, which are namely the Blu Glauco and also the Arancio Livrea color. So basically the Blu Glauco represents this blue color and the Arancio Livrea stands for this orange color essence all over the car. On the Huracan Sto, basically everywhere is carbon fiber. Around 75% of the body parts of the Huracan Sto are actually made of carbon fiber, as you can see on the Cofango. This is carbon. Then you have the carbon side mirror, the door panels, carbon. Then of course this is carbon as well. Then you have the carbon rear wing and also this carbon rear bumper. So with all the carbon fiber material that being used on the Huracan Sto, Lamborghini has managed to reduce the weight of the Sto down to 1,339 kilograms, and this is the ultimate weight reduction on the Huracan and making it an extremely lightweight track-focused race car for the road. On the Huracan Sto, you will get a rear wheel steering. Then right behind the wheels, the Huracan Sto features a CCMR carbon ceramic brakes made by Brembo for track endurance. As for the driving modes, there is 3 different driving modes for the Huracan Sto, which are named as the Sto, which means for the road, Trofeo mode for the track, and Hyoja mode for wet conditions. The wheels on the Huracan Sto, they are finished off in this satin matte black color and wrapped in this Bridgestone Potenza Sport tires that are specially developed for the Huracan Sto. And right behind the wheels, you will get this CCMR Brembo brakes that are specially developed for the Huracan Sto as well. So for this Sto, the brake calipers are painted in orange color in order to match with the Arancio Livrea essence on the exterior. While for the interior wise, as you can expect, it is full of carbon fiber and Alcantara material in order to achieve the maximum weight reduction. So right over here, you have all the carbon fiber door panel on the dashboard as well. You have this Alcantara. Then the stitchings, they are finished off in orange color, as well as the stitchings on the steering wheel. As for the seats, you get the standard Huracan Sto carbon bucket seats with the orange color stitchings all around, as well as the seat belts are finished off in orange color in order to match with the orange color elements on the exterior. And that's how the Huracan Sto sounds like with the Akrapovic exhaust system installed. So with the Akrapovic exhaust, not only that you get a better sound, also you get a better performance due to the weight reduction of the titanium material that being used to create the exhaust system. And also most importantly, you will get a pair of these beautiful titanium tailpipes that completely changes the looks from the rear. When you have this installed on your Huracan Sto, definitely this will stand out the crowd and it looks absolutely stunning in person. A lot larger diameter compared to the standard exhaust tips on the Sto, and also you will have this Lamborghini and also Akrapovic logo crafted on the tailpipe pipes itself. Let us know in the comment sections below what do you think about the Akrapovic exhaust system, how does it sound on the Huracan STO, and also do let us know what do you think about the specs on our client's STO, how does it looks like with the Ad Personam program, with this very beautiful and striking Blu Glauco color with the Arancio Livrea essence all around the car. So if you like our content, remember to like and share this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting contents in the future.